Honey extractor is here. A slight dent in the box, but shouldn't be a big issue. And my roller uncapper is here. And I also picked up a strainer. I picked these up off of Amazon. This I ordered directly from the company. I told my kids I would wait to unbox it until they got home so they could help me put it together. But very excited it arrived. So they have it on sale for about a little over $300. And from what I've seen, I saw people online saying they paid $350 for a manual one. This one has the electric motor and shouldn't be real easy. I bought the 4-frame version, and I'll do a full review on that once I get a chance to use it. Seems like this will do the trick. I had pretty good reviews on Amazon, so I expect good things. And there's it put together. And here's the double screener. It has the coarse screen for the top and the finer screen for the bottom, just to strain the stuff out of the honey. So it sits on top of a bucket.